After Nike's successful partnership with Artifact, Adidas dropping their own collection, Coca-Cola and Pepsi also getting into the NFT space, we're definitely finally seeing some big traction in the NFT space that is being caught, and a train being hopped by the major big well-known brands. Good day everybody, CryptobatzNFT here, and today I have a video for you which I'll be going through this upcoming project with a big potential of a 20 to 50x that we might see even with the flipper market that we're in right now. I think this project will moon, no doubt. Now, whatever I'm going to say here is based off of my own research, opinions, and facts that I've gathered. This is not financial advice, and it's not to be taken as financial advice. Please always do your own research regardless of the project that you see an influencer talk about. Now, what makes this project so special is the fact that it's by the artist Ozzy Osbourne. Now, Ozzy Osbourne is a very well-known artist. He's a very reputable guy. He was the lead singer for the band Black Sabbath, and he also has hosted many of his own shows. He has starred in many shows, and he has a huge fan base that he could drive into the NFT space only by doing this project. Now, I think once artists see this project moon, and once the artists realize the importance of digital ownership and the light that's going to be spot on to the NFT space, a lot of new brands and a lot of new artists are going to be inspired, and they're going to get into the space. Now, let's take a look into Cryptobatz and let's see what makes this NFT so special. Now, this is their website. As we scroll down, they have a very nice website, a really clean art style, and I love everything about this website. Now, the collection is made of 9,666 blockchain dwelling bats, right? And the utility behind this is something that I've not seen any project do. Now, we're all familiar with mutating your NFT. You get your NFT, you get a serum, we saw Bored Ape Yacht do it, and what is so special about the mutation of this NFT is the fact that it mutates through biting. Now, what is biting exactly? I have this linked in the description, you could read it yourself. I'll give you a brief rundown. By holding a second blue chip NFT in your wallet, you're going to be able to use your CryptoBat to bite it, and your CryptoBat will mutate according to the traits on your NFT. Now, so far they have only announced 3 blue chip NFTs that you could use to mutate your CryptoBat, which are Bored Ape Yacht Club, Cryptobatz, and Subducks. And there's a bunch of question marks of I'm assuming, and I'm pretty sure there will be some more blue chips on the market that we're going to see the CryptoBats be able to mutate from. Now, you could take a look at their website. Their website is very clean. They also have this one thing that caught my eye. It's ancient bats. Now, an ancient bat could mutate up to 99 times. You might be like, that's a lot of supply, and how is that going to go? They have done a very nice approach here. So by holding a bat, you'll be able to partake in the treasure hunt. It is exclusively reserved for CryptoBat holders, as you can see here. A ancient bat can mutate up to 99 times. So you could, essentially have 100 NFTs by only holding one NFT. Now you might be like, that's gonna cause an oversupply and everything like that. No, they have done a very nice approach of this, and I'm assuming, I calculated all of these manually earlier, there were around 50 locations here. And then to find these ancient bats, you'll be partaking in the treasure hunt here. Week by week, they will be releasing hints and clues to most engaged communities, slowly revealing the locations of the ancient bats and making them easier to discover as time goes on. Now, let's take a look at the roadmap. They're going to be having their whitelist open to the public. That is chapter 1, which is currently what's happening, so you can get on the whitelist, yes, and then you can also grant yourself a spot there to mint the NFT itself. Cryptobatz public mint will also take place after that. The utility will begin, which is basically creating your mutant bats. And then ancient bats will start, the clues for ancient bats will start dropping after this. They're going to also be building their own sandbox and metaverse. It's going to be available for CryptoBatz and mutant holders. Now, the team behind the actual project, you could read about it here. The team here, this is their Twitter, and I'll leave the link to this thread down in the description. You could take a look at their goals and look at who they are. You could click on each member here, read about them, see their track record. They're not doxed yet, but I'm assuming by the hype, there's a high chance they're gonna get doxed eventually. There's a link to their Twitter also here, and let's take a look at the Twitter. It's been only out for It's been only public for the past 2 days and it's already at 10,000 followers. And you can still make it to their whitelist. Yes, I'll guarantee that you can get on their whitelist as long as you follow up quickly with this video. Here's a link to the Discord. The Discord is absolutely crazy. It does not stop. Not at all. There's currently people grinding for the whitelist, and they have a bunch of tiers for their whitelists. And then we could take a look at that here. They have the moderators, developers, and they also have here, they have the gold tier, the silver tier, and the bronze tier. Each could be gained by either providing the community, winning giveaways, or just being a part of their community. And I think that's a very great approach to their whitelist process. They're not asking for invites to create, a fake fan base or a fake community. However, they're getting legit people. Now, one more thing is they're already at 19,000 members, only 2 days, not even 2 full days after the actual NFT being announced. Get into this project. I will assure you that you're not going to regret it. This is going to be a great call as you look back at this. I think that this will set a trend for the majority of artists who are skeptical about NFTs or who don't know about NFTs, and it will be the big next step, because there will be so many people getting into this, and this project will moon, and then so many other artists are going to look at this moon and they're going to be realizing the importance of digital ownership. That'll be it for today's video. I hope that I shined the light on this project. It will be huge. There's so much potential behind this project. Leave me a like on this video if you enjoyed. Drop me a follow on Twitter, because again, Twitter saw this first, and I also have a link to my Discord server where we talk about upcoming NFTs down in the description. Feel free to join that as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. This was AC signing out. Peace.